Hi everyone, welcome back to Gardening from Square One. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a home gardener or landscape enthusiast looking to create a beautiful and enchanting garden that is a feast for the eyes and all of your senses, you are in the right place. Today I am thrilled to share my list of the top 10 fragrant plants. Now, most of the plants on this list are perfect for warm climates, and many thrive down to zones 5 or 6. Stay tuned. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a symphony of delightful scents that uplift your spirit and soothe your soul. Fragrant flowering plants not only add to the beauty of your outdoor spaces, but they create a sensory experience that can transform your entire garden. So, whether you're looking to attract pollinators, or to create a scene retreat, or to simply enjoy the natural aroma of blooming flowers, adding fragrant plants is a must. These scents can evoke cherished memories, enhance your outdoor gatherings, and even improve your mood. Today, I am thrilled to share my list of the top 10 fragrant plants. Oh, and please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and comment below regarding your favorite plants from the list. So without further ado, the first plant on my list is regarded by many as the queen of flowers. This plant is roses. Now, roses have been celebrated for centuries for their intoxicating fragrance. These iconic beauties offer a wide range of fragrances that range from the sweet and fruity notes that remind us of ripe fruits, the damask rose scent with old world rose charm, musk scents that have a warm, earthy, woody undertones along with their floral notes. The scent of myrrh, which is described as warm and slightly medicinal, often including earthy notes along with sweet and spicy elements, which create a rich and exotic aroma. Or the many modern hybrids that incorporate musk notes in their fragrance profiles. And then there are the old world roses, which include many heirloom or antique varieties that are characterized by their rich, deep fragrance, typically combining sweet floral notes with hints of spice and earthiness that make a complex aroma that just feels timeless. Incorporating fragrant roses into a garden not only enhances its visual appeal, but also creates a rich sensory experience that can uplift the spirit and promote a deeper connection to nature. Next on my list is one of the most beloved plants in the garden. I am talking about lilacs. Now, lilacs are symbols of love and renewal in various cultures. They've been cherished for centuries, and in some places, they even represent the arrival of spring. These visually stunning, easy care plants thrive in a variety of soils, and they are quite drought tolerant once established. With their beautiful clusters of pollinator attracting small flowers that come in shades of purple, blue, pink, and even white. These flowers are not just a feast for the eyes, they are a feast for the nose as well. Lilacs have a sweet floral scent that is just simply enchanting. It can fill your garden with a wave of nostalgia, bringing back memories of springtime and warmer days. Honestly, it's like nature's perfume. What would a list of fragrant plants be without peonies? I would say incomplete. Now, these plants are beloved for their lush blooms and delightful fragrance that can be sweet and fresh. Varieties like Sarah Bernhardt and Festiva Maxima are particularly renowned for their scent, which has floral notes that include hints of citrus. These long-lasting fragrant blooms are great for bouquets. They also attract pollinators to your gardens. If you add peonies to your garden, it will likely become a cherished addition, helping to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space. Next on my list is lavender. Now, many of us are familiar with lavender's calming scent. It is also a perennial herb that thrives in sunny locations. It produces beautiful purple flowers and attracts pollinators to the garden. Lavender has a sweet floral aroma with a hint of earthiness that promotes relaxation, which makes it perfect if you want to create a soothing garden vibe. Different varieties like English lavender have stronger scents compared to, say, Spanish lavender, which is milder and a lot more citrusy. Adding lavender to a garden enhances both the sensory experience and the visual landscape. Its fragrance, aesthetic appeal, low maintenance requirements, and versatility makes it a beloved choice for gardeners who are looking to create a beautiful, fragrant, and functional outdoor space. These plants need full sun, warmer climates, and excellent drainage to thrive. The next plant on my list is jasmine. Now, these vines not only add height to your gardening space, but they can transform the area with their strong, intoxicating fragrance that will fill the air, especially at night. Plant them near a patio or seating area for magical evening ambiance. Among this list are a couple of honorable mentions, and the first honorable mention is the El Nino Chaitalpa. Now, this large shrub or small tree is hardy in zones 6 through 9. It will have orchid like blooms that will give off a light, sweet fragrance that is reminiscent of lilacs. Next on my list is the Spice Baby or Spice Girl Korean viburnums. Now, these plants can grow to height and width of about 4 to 6 feet. It is a full sun, part sun grower, but what it is known for is its standout fragrance and attractive foliage. Its beautiful blooms will emit a sweet, spicy scent that is often described as similar to that of cloves or cinnamon. My second honorable mention is the gardenia. Now, this evergreen shrub is prized for its creamy white flowers and rich, sweet scent. The scent on these blooms is so rich and so intoxicating that it is frequently used in perfumes. However, they can be a bit finicky to grow, but if you can grow this plant, the reward is absolutely worth it. Mock orange is a deciduous shrub that will have clusters of white flowers that will emit a sweet citrusy scent that is reminiscent of orange blossoms. The fragrance is going to be most potent in late spring, where it will fill the air with a refreshing aroma that many gardeners just adore. This plant is relatively easy to grow, making it a great choice for scent loving gardeners. Last on my list is sweet alyssum. Now, these delicate little flowers provide a sweet honey like fragrance that is hard to resist. They are perfect for the edge of your borders and containers. Their scent can create a lovely backdrop for your garden. Plus, they're wonderful for attracting beneficial insects, making it a win win for fragrance and garden health. So, there you have it, a selection of great fragrant plants that can elevate your garden. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day in your garden. Bye.